Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to recover the deleted documents on the Google Sheets by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open the Google Sheet application, and here you just need to make sure that you're already signed in or logged in with your Google account that you use for working with the Google Sheet application. And after you're doing that, you just need to find which documents that you have been deleted by go click these three small dots right here, or let's just try to delete some of them. Let's do delete these to the list here. Just go click this three small dot, go click removed, and confirm that you want to remove that. Now you already got the documents gone, so the next thing we need to do is just go click these three straight lines on the top left corner, and you will see one of them called bin here, so you just need to go click it. So every deleted documents on the Google Sheet application will be saved for 30 days on these features or on this folder called bin. So here you just need to find the files that you want to bring them back. So let's say you just delete the to-do list here, so let's just bring it back by go click these three small dots and go click restore, and then you just need to go back into the recent, and you already got the to-do list back into your active folder. So that is the way how to restore the document on the Google Sheet application by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.